At Marshall Motor Group, we understand how stressful having an accident and damage to your vehicle can be. That's why we aim to make the experience of having your vehicle repaired as seamless and easy as possible. Here are 11 benefits to bringing your vehicle to us.
Firstly, we offer full body shop, small to medium light cosmetic, and wheel refurbishment repair services. We only use qualified vehicle repair technicians, meaning your vehicle is in the hands of the most knowledgeable people. We also only use manufacturer-approved repair methods, genuine parts, and manufacturer-approved paint. To guarantee a high-quality finish, all our paint and body repairs receive a body shop clean and approved quality check. To ensure the safety of your vehicle, we also carry out a complimentary visual health check and report on your vehicle while it's in our care. By bringing your vehicle to us, you receive a lifetime workmanship guarantee for the time you own the vehicle. If you're leasing or on hire contract, you receive end-of-term protection, therefore reducing the risk of additional charges when you return the vehicle. We also offer Marshall Accident Aftercare. In the event of third-party and non-fault claims, our seamless service is designed to keep you on the road at no cost to you. Phoning our direct accident aftercare number will ensure your vehicle is directed to our manufacturer-approved repairer. We then ease the stress after an accident by taking responsibility to liaise with insurers, organising repairs, keeping you up to date with repair progress, and most importantly, keeping you mobile with a loan car. At Marshall Motor Group, we pride ourselves on being reassuringly trustworthy.
We hope that in the unfortunate event you're involved in an accident or require vehicle body repairs, you'll call one of our body shop specialists who will assist in getting you back on the road.